Explosion of Hezbollah pagers sparks unprecedented attack across Lebanon. Hezbollah operatives faced a shocking event as pagers exploded across Lebanon this Tuesday afternoon. Reports indicate that around 2,700 people were injured, with 8 fatalities resulting from the explosions. Authorities believe a recent shipment of pagers may have been compromised, leading to this chaos. Speculation arises about the role of malware, as officials confirm the devices burst with intense heat. This incident marks a significant escalation in tensions, raising concerns about security in the region. Stay updated on the latest news, subscribe to our channel for more.